In continuation of our parts, that is a retrosynthetic analysis or the retrosynthesis. If we are having the provided a target molecule, that is bifunctional compound 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the bifunctional compounds. What is the plan of analysis? What is the plan of the synthesis? The first we have done, this is the analysis of, what is the analysis of target molecule. Here the given target molecules having the two functional group, one is the keto, another is the acid. So as we know that how acid is obtained, that is starting reactant from this Grignard reagent is react with the carbon dioxide, and how the ketone is obtained. The ketone is obtained from this alcohol. These types of the alcohol, it should be secondary alcohol, because of the ketone is it is obtained, the oxidation of the secondary alcohol is the ketone. The product of the secondary oxidation of the secondary alcohol is the ketone. That's why we have to the plan of the synthesis means what is the design of the target molecules. First we want to analysis. This is the functional group interconversion. These types of the compound, it is goes to the formation of the recycle. This is the recyclization. So again if this cyclization means either recyclization, a ring opening. So the ring opening reaction. So here again the FGI of these target molecules, FGI of this target, if this is the FGI, then this is one pH group is as it is, and here the hydroxy group is what. Again if you want to, this is the FGI, again this CC disconnection. अब हम यहाँ पे वन CC ग्रुप डिस्कनेक्शन करेंगे, वन CC ग्रुप डिस्कनेक्शन. So what happened? This is the pH. As you can say, this pH Br, the synthetic equivalent of given compound, and this ketone is here. So that is called as cyclohexanone. These are the synthetic reagent. As you can say, synthetic equivalent. Cyclohexanone and bromobenzene. So what is the plan of synthesis? What is the synthesis plan? अब इसका synthesis plan क्या होगा? जैसे कि हमारे पास cyclohexanone है, so this cyclohexanone is reacted or treated with the bromobenzene in presence of what? Magnesium metal and diethyl ether as an organic solvent. Then after hydrolysis, as we can say, after hydrolysis in acidic condition, there is formation of what? Tertiary alcohol. And as we can say, these types of the compound, this tertiary alcohols, as we are this oxidation by using what? Ozonolysis. We can say ozonolysis in presence of H2O2, and then what happen? Formation of our target compound, that is target molecule. So this is a plan of synthesis. This is the cyclohexanone, and this is the bromobenzene. As you can say, these types of the reactant species, bromobenzene, it is treated with the cyclohexanone. Nucleophilic addition on carbon multiple oxygen bond, carbon hetero multiple bond is a Grignard reagent. So then what happens? This formation of this OH. If we are this COH, oxidation of these types of the carbon atoms. So this is the ozonolysis. When we can done this ozonolysis after dehydration, यहाँ पे हमें एक स्टेप इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा. डिहाइड्रेशन हम इसका करेंगे. So if we are done this dehydration in presence of sulfuric acid, then what happen? Formation of what? Here unsaturated product, this pH, and afterward we are done this ozonolysis and is reacted with the H2O2 hydrogen peroxide, hydrolysis in acidic condition, and then formation of what? This final step. This is the target molecules. These are the synthesis, as you can say, analysis followed by synthesis of given target compound.